Indonesia is basically, we are actually very blessed and very fortunate that 3/4 of Asia is actually sea. But the sad thing is, we have not really exploited well this blessing. So basically, in the 80 years in history, there's been no real effective program to empower our fishing communities, basically. And this is what we're trying to do. My Minister of Fisheries, he started a pilot project. One model, we make as a model of this. We call this project the Fishing Village Project, Desa Nelayan. So, a village consisting of 2,000 fishermen, we will reorganize, give facilities. For instance, many of these villages do not have a simple jetty. So we build a jetty for them. They don't even have ice. So we provide financing so that they can build a small ice producing facility. So every day they go to the sea, they will have ice blocks. And so when they catch the fish will be relatively fresh coming back. So it's simple things like that. Cold storage, when the produce can be stored, and then electricity, solar panels. So all these things, clean clinics for them, good schools for the children. And we find out their testimony after 1.5 years, 2 years, their earning increased up to 100%, which is amazing. You know, I myself I'm very surprised. I thought maybe 40%, 50, 100% increase. But for basic things like ice, and then of course facilities for auctioning the fish. So now all the people who need fish, they know, oh, in that village I can get fresh fish, and if I come early for the auction, I'll get the best. So prices increase, earnings increase. So what we are planning to do is we are planning to replicate that this year, 2026. This year we already start building 65 already. And the target will be end of 2026. We are going to build at least 1,000 of these villages all over Indonesia. 1,000. That means it will empower 2 million fishermen. 2 million fishermen with their wife and maybe 2 kids. That's 8 million Indonesians. We hope immediately, after 1 year, their earnings will increase by 100%. And this is our goal, our dream. And I'm very bullish, I'm very optimistic. So we will now get fresh increase of protein from the fishing villages. We will send it to our cooperatives, because I'm also building, we have already established 81,000 village cooperatives. And each village cooperative will have their own warehouse, cold storage, will have their own mini supermarket, their own village drugstore, village clinic, etc., etc., etc. And each cooperative will be given financing to buy 2 trucks. So all their produce will be sent to the market, and there will be no more stories of, sir, our harvest is rotting, nobody's coming, da 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 da. Yeah, so I think this is going to be a I think, an exciting time for Indonesia. I'm excited, and because I'm seeing this dream, this concept turning into reality as we sit here today.